Hey guys, this is the hair I'll be using. I'll post where I got it from Amazon, and this is the edge control I'll be using also. I'll also post that where I got that from. So I've already molded my hair, so I'm gonna add the hair on like this. You lay the top part forward and the other part towards the back. You're gonna put the holder, the ponytail holder on, and then it's gonna come out like this, okay? And make sure you wrap a piece around the hair bow so it could be like, concealed. Here's the jam. This is what I'm gonna use to put on the braiding hair, just to keep it a little sleek looking, and make sure you separate it in 3 sections. And I'm going to apply a little bit of the jam and start braiding. Now, you need to know how to braid because this is going to be the struggle right here. With braiding hair, you're going to have like a brush on hand or a comb on hand because sometimes it can get a little tangled. So, yes, you're going to have to struggle with that a little bit, but you'll get through it if you really know how to braid. And just make sure you can brush that out. So I'm going to continue to braid down. I already prepped my hair the night before, bolted it and put a scarf on it and everything, and did my edges. So the next morning, all I had to do was add the hair on. And while I'm doing this, I have hot water warming up on the stove. And we're going to dip this braid in the water so it looks really nice and long. Really long, and I think the length was 46 inches. So here's the water. I'm gonna dip the braid in this hot steaming water, boiling water, so it won't be like sticking out and it could be more relaxed. So just keep dipping it, and then it should look like this. I'm not gonna do a curl or anything, but I'll come back with the final look. And voila, here we have it. Nice little braid, looking sexy, and you're ready to go. So easy, so effortless. And like I said, you'll be done with this in like at least 20 minutes because sometimes you got to struggle with the hair. But thanks for watching, guys. And girl, let me know how your braid turned out. Leave it in the comments and just let me know. So thank you for watching, and goodbye.